For chest X-rays, other X-rays and ultrasound scans, reporting templates can be saved. In Intel SIS these are called imaging templates. Let's go to the patient page to see how these imaging templates look like. In the patient page, imaging templates are available for chest X-rays, CXR, other X-rays, X-ray, and ultrasound scans, USG. The templates can be listed by clicking A here. These are the templates available for ultrasound scans. These are the imaging templates available for chest X-rays. These are the imaging templates available for other X-rays. To load the template, click the template name. The reporting template will be filled here and can be further edited. The default cost will also be filled up when the template is selected. Now let's see how to add and edit these templates. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Imaging Templates. The templates are grouped by chest X-rays, other X-rays and ultrasound scans. Select the modality here to add or view the templates. Templates for the selected modality will be listed here. To add a new template, click New. Specify the description here. This will be used to identify this template. Enter the patient price here. Enter the reporting template here. And click Save to save this template. After saving, select the modality again to list the templates. To edit any of these templates, click View. Edit accordingly and click Save to save the changes. To delete a template, click Del. If this reporting template is empty for any of the saved templates, it will be indicated with an asterisk at the end. The asterisk at the end of this template means that the reporting template is empty, although description and cost are saved. That's it. You're done.